Meaning of higher education.
Higher education.
Higher education.
Higher education.
Higher education. Higher education refers to education beyond the secondary level, typically at a college or university. It is designed to provide advanced knowledge and skills in a specific field of study, leading to a degree or certification. The main goals of higher education are to prepare individuals for their future careers, develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, promote personal growth and encourage lifelong learning. Higher education also plays a crucial role in social mobility, promoting economic development and fostering innovation. Overall, higher education is an essential investment in an individual's intellectual, social and economic well-being.